Hey everyone, it's Mist, and sorry for being so quiet and uner- unenergetic, like I usually am not. I just woke up, so I need to make this video before I go to a thing called Shul. Oh wait, it's almost finished, which means videos. Ooh, yeah, that's also a good thing. But this video is mainly suggesting the fact that I'm getting upgrades, and it's confirmed. The upgrades I had requested for my Dell 1984 toaster is four pronged, or no, six pronged. A better power supply, better switchies. Nah, JK. My actual upgrades that I requested were a GTX 1060, just one, dual fan though, 6 gigabyte. Um, I might need a better motherboard for this all to happen. And I also requested an i7 6700K processor. Yeah, Intel. Boy. So I finally won't be a Radeon person, an AMD. I'm sorry, I'm letting you down. I'll miss you. I'll miss you so, dealer. Okay, wow, my pronunciation today is great, isn't it? But yeah, so these upgrades will at least confirm me around 100 FPS while not playing and around 60 while recording. Boy, yes, I can record Rust without people, coconut pineapple, calling my Dell 1984 toaster not powerful enough. Well, I finally get to stand up to you foes and defeat you with the power of money. Ha 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 ha. I wonder if he still watches me sometimes, but yeah. Oh yeah, so that's all I wanted to say to you guys. I also get to hear that. I don't know what that was. Um, Very attractive sounding is what it was. So yeah, thanks for watching and learning the fact that I'm getting cool upgrades and that my school time is almost out. Freaking Americans already have school out. Whatever, I'm Canadian. We get 2 extra weeks of school at the end. Ha! Sucks for you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this and listening. I guess more of a listening video. And whoever watched through this, you get a free cookie. Yay. Everyone likes cookies, and looking at a picture of what is supposed to be me into him screaming into a mic. Isn't that great? Yes. Well, bye everyone.